Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Telegram account permanently. So it's pretty simple. For this, you need to click on setting at the bottom right of your screen. Now from inside setting, you want to scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see the option called Telegram FAQ. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now from over here, you need to scroll a bit down, or in somebody's case, they need to scroll up, and you want to find over here where it says your account. And under your account, you will see delete your Telegram account option. Click on it. Once you click on delete Telegram, you can see the blue option called deactivate page. Click on deactivate page. And from over here, you need to enter your phone number which is linked with your Telegram. Enter that. Now once you enter your phone number, it's going to send you a verification code on your phone which is linked with your Telegram. Once you enter the verification code and click on sign in, at the next step it's going to ask you why you're trying to delete your Telegram account. And after you give the reason on why you're trying to delete your Telegram account, you want to click on delete my Telegram account. Once you click on delete my Telegram account, after 21 days your Telegram account will be deleted. Now the reason why they give you 21 days is because if you want to recover your Telegram account within that 21 days, you can re-log in into your Telegram account and cancel the deletion. But if you're sure you want to delete your account, do not log in into your account within that 21 days and your account will permanently be deleted. And remember, once your account is deleted, you cannot recover anything again. So that is how you guys can delete your Telegram account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.